Ever been ready to call it a night after an epic gaming session, but your controller's dead or missing? Don't worry, in this quick guide, we'll show you multiple ways to safely power down your PS4, with or without a controller. First up, let's tackle the method using your controller. Make sure your controller is on and press the PlayStation button in the center to bring up the quick menu. Scroll down to the power option, it looks like a power icon, and select it. A new menu pops up. Now select Turn Off PS4. This is the safest way to ensure your system shuts down properly. Your PS4 will now begin to power down. Now, let's see how to turn off the PS4 without a controller. Locate the power button on the front of your PS4 console. It's a physical button. Press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. You'll hear a beep, and then another beep. After the second beep, release the power button. This will force the PS4 to shut down. However, be aware that this method should only be used as a last resort, as it can potentially lead to data corruption if done frequently. It's always better to use the controller method when possible. And there you have it. Multiple ways to power down your PS4. Remember to always prioritize the controller method for a safe and proper shutdown. Game on.